Welcome, dear students. Now let us study about PPT 10, that is session number 10. In PPT 10, session number 10, we are going to derive an expression for, first one, we are going to derive an expression for voltage of amplitude modulated wave, AM wave voltage. Second one, let us draw the frequency spectrum. Draw the frequency spectrum of AM wave. The third one is AM modulation, amplitude modulation by several sine waves. So in PPT 10, session number 10, we are going to derive an expression for instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave and draw the frequency spectrum of AM wave. Also, let us study the AM modulations, amplitude modulations, not by single sine wave, by number of sine waves, that is several sine waves. Message signal has number of sine waves. Then what is amplitude modulations? Before going to derivations, I will write the AM signal. That is, I will write the modulating signal. The modulating signal EM is represented by this signal, where with respect to time t. This is a sine wave, where Fm is the frequency, modulating frequency. This maximum height is called amplitude of the modulating signal EM. And this is the equations. Modulating signal EM is represented by EM sine of omega mt. Call this expression number 1. Similarly, let us represent the carrier signal. The carrier signal is represented like this, where it has a very high frequency known as radio frequency. So this frequency is Fc. This is the voltage of carrier with respect to time t, and this carrier signal is represented by EC is equal to the maximum amplitude is EC, and it is in the form of sine wave. Therefore, EC is equal to EC sine of omega Ct, where omega C, which is equal to 2 pi Fc. Fc is called carrier frequency. Here omega m is equal to 2 pi Fm. Fm is called modulating frequency. So in amplitude modulated wave, in AM wave, what we do, EC, the carrier amplitude, is varied in accordance with this modulating signal EM. So EC is varied in accordance with EM, keeping the carrier frequency Fc, carrier phase angle constant. This is our amplitude modulation. Therefore, I will write the amplitude modulated wave. After modulation, you get a wave like this, where in which the carrier frequency remains constant. This is carrier frequency. The carrier frequency before modulation is Fc. Even after modulation, the carrier frequency is Fc itself. It does not change. And this is the voltage of amplitude modulated wave. Therefore, I will represent this as EAM, instantaneous voltage E, suffix AM, amplitude modulated. Instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave, again as time t. Okay, this is carrier amplitude before modulation. This is amplitude of the modulating signal EM, and this represents the resultant amplitude of A of AM wave. That is the amplitude of the amplitude modulated wave. A is EC plus, this is the sine signal, EC plus EM. Therefore, the resultant amplitude of the amplitude modulated wave is, we know that in amplitude modulated wave, EC is varied in accordance with EM. Therefore, it is EC plus Em. The resultant wave is also sine wave, where the maximum amplitude is capital A. Therefore, equation of this amplitude modulated wave voltage is its amplitude A, and it is also in the form of sine. It is sine. The frequency remains constant. Therefore, it is omega ct. Substitute for A, which is equal to A means EC plus EM for AM wave. Therefore, EC plus EM into sine of omega ct, where EM is modulating signal, which is represented by EM is equal to capital EM into sine of omega mt. Substitute this here. You get EAM is equal to EC plus small em is EM into sine of omega mt into sine of omega ct, multiplying EC sine omega ct, EC sine of omega ct plus EM into sine omega c into sine omega mt, sine of omega ct into sine of omega mt. But we know that the modulation index M of amplitude modulation, M is equal to EM by EC by definition. Therefore, EM is equal to cross multiplication. EM is equal to amplitude, depth of modulation, amplitude modulation index into EC. Just cross EM equals MA EC. Substitute this EM here. You get EC sine of omega ct plus EM is nothing but MAEC into sine of omega ct plus sine of omega mt. Now expand this. This is in the form of sine A plus B. We know that trigonometrical function sine A plus B, sine A into B, sine A, sine B. Sine A into sine B is half of cos A minus B into plus cos A plus B. Therefore, this can be written as EC sine of omega ct plus MAEC. This is half of cos of omega c minus omega m into t. Omega ct minus omega m into t, t common factor. You get omega c minus omega m minus cos of a plus b, that is omega c plus omega m into t. So, which is equal to EC sine of omega ct plus multiply this MAEC by 2 into cos. So, MAEC by 2 cos of omega c plus omega m into t minus MAEC by 2 into this MAEC by 2 into cos of omega c minus plus omega m into t. So, this is the expression for instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave. So, this consists of three components: EC sin omega ct, normal carrier frequency component, plus MAEC by 2 cos of omega c plus omega m into t, minus MAEC by 2 cos of omega c plus omega m. Therefore, this is called normal carrier frequency component FC. This is called upper sideband frequency component of frequency FC plus FM. This is FC minus FM, omega c minus omega m. Therefore, this is lower sideband frequency component of frequency FC minus FM. Omega c plus omega m, that is upper sideband frequency of frequency FC plus FM. This is the expression for instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave. Substitute for sin omega ct, sin omega mt, this equation in this equations. On substituting this in this equation, you get you will get so EAM is equal to EC sin omega CT, EC sin omega CT plus MAEC into sin omega CT sin omega MT is given by sin omega CT sin omega MT is given by half of cos of omega C minus omega M into T minus cos of omega plus omega M into T. Therefore, this is half of cos of omega C minus omega M into T minus cos of omega C plus omega M into T. I will rearrange this term. Instantaneous voltage. Thus, you get instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave is equal to EC sin of omega CT plus MAEC by 2 cos of omega C minus omega M into T, cos of omega C minus omega M into T, plus into minus minus MAEC by 2 into this. Therefore, it is MA minus MAEC by 2 into cos of omega C minus plus omega M into T. So, this is the final expression for instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave. E is instantaneous voltage, AM is amplitude modulated voltage, EAM means instantaneous voltage of amplitude modulated wave, which is equal to EC sin omega CT plus MAEC by 2 cos of omega C minus omega M into T minus MAEC by 2 cos of omega C plus omega M into T. That is, this is omega C is, omega is 2 pi f. Therefore, omega C is 2 pi fc. Omega C minus omega M is 2 pi fc minus 2 pi fm. 2 pi common, fc minus fm. 2 pi fc plus 2 pi fm. So, 2 pi common, fc plus fm. Therefore, in terms of frequency, this is a frequency component fc. This is a frequency component fc minus fm. This is a frequency component fc plus fm. Thus, this expression consists of three frequency. One normal carrier frequency, that is, before modulation the frequency was fc. Even after modulation the voltage also consists of fc. And along with this, another frequency fc minus fm. This is called lower sideband frequency. fc plus fm, it is called upper sideband frequency. fc, that is carrier frequency before modulation. We can call this as normal carrier frequency. The frequency before modulation fc, the frequency after modulation fc. So it is called normal carrier frequency. Thus, this expression consists of three frequency component. That is EC sin omega CT with amplitude EC, that is voltage EC, frequency FC. Lower sideband component with amplitude MAEC by 2. Upper sideband frequency component with amplitude same MAEC by 2. Therefore, the amplitude of this FC is EC, amplitude of this FC minus FM is MAEC by 2, amplitude of FC plus FM is also MAEC by 2. Okay, take this EC and MAEC by 2. For 100% modulation, you know that modulation index M is equal to EM by EC. For 100% modulation, that is, it is 1. because percentage is 100 means 1. EM equals EC. In this case, when EM is equal to EC, we get M equals 1, that is 100% modulations. So, when M is equal to 1, this amplitude is EC by 2. The normal carrier frequency amplitude is EC. And for 100% modulation, lower sideband frequency component is amplitude is EC by 2. Upper sideband frequency component is also MA EC by 2. Same. Since MA is 1, it is also EC by 2. Therefore, first amplitude of this normal carrier frequency component is the amplitude of the normal frequency carrier component FC is EC, and this is FC plus FM. Its amplitude is EC by 2, half of this amplitude. Okay. Now let us draw frequency spectrum. Frequency spectrum of AM wave. Frequency spectrum of amplitude modulated wave. Consider this expression. See this expression of amplitude modulated wave. EAM is equal to EC sin omega CT. Omega C is 2 pi FC. Therefore, FC is carrier frequency, EC is amplitude. I will represent this. FC is carrier frequency where its voltage or amplitude is EC. Come to this. Omega C minus omega M. Omega C is 2 pi F C. This is 2 pi FM, 2 pi common. You get FC minus FM. So this FC minus FM is called lower sideband frequency, where the amplitude of this is MAEC by 2. Therefore, you get another component FC minus FM. Its amplitude is MAEC by 2. FC minus FM, its amplitude is MAEC by 2. Now consider another term, MAEC by 2. Omega C plus omega M. If you take 2 pi common, you get FC plus FM. Therefore, FC plus FM also has same amplitude, MAEC by 2. Therefore, FC plus FM also has same amplitude, MAEC by 2. Frequency spectrum is nothing but a graph of amplitude along y-axis. Amplitude means voltage. Both are same. Amplitude means voltage. I will represent this as E along x-axis, and frequency along x-axis. Amplitude or voltage along y-axis, frequency along x-axis. The amplitude modulated wave has 3 frequency components. FC, normal carrier frequency. FC minus FM, it is called lower sideband because FC minus FM comes to the left side of FC. FC plus FM comes to the right side of FC. Therefore, it is called upper sideband component. This is normal carrier component. Therefore, if you represent this as FC, to the left you have FC minus FM. To this right you have, it is FC plus FM. If this is FC, to the left it is FC minus FM. To the right it is FC plus FM. FC, this is the amplitude. FC has amplitude EC. This is EC is the amplitude. Where frequency is FC, amplitude EC. C, FC minus FM, lower sideband frequency. The amplitude is MAEC by 2. Therefore, this FC minus FM, the amplitude is MAEC by 2. Similarly, upper sideband frequency, FC plus FM, the amplitude is MAEC by 2. Therefore, even for upper sideband frequency, the amplitude is same as that of LSB. This is also MAEC by 2. So, this is called frequency spectrum of amplitude modulated wave. frequency spectrum of amplitude modulated wave. Now, suppose if you modulate the carrier signal, the amplitude of the carrier signal, say EC, instead of one message signal, let us consider number of message signal of different frequency. This is one message signal, another message signal, another message signal, another message signal. So number of other sine waves. So the number of sine waves as message signals. Whereas this frequency is say FM1, modulating frequency or message frequency F11. Let this frequency be FM2. Let this frequency be FM3. And this frequency is FM4, etc. etc. Let us consider number of sine waves. That is several sine waves. When it is amplitude modulated with this carrier signal, you get the total modulation index MT is square root of M1 squared plus M2 squared plus M3 squared plus etc. Mn squared. If there are n number of sine waves, the expression is same, but the total modulation index changes. It is given by Mt is equal to square root of M1 squared plus M2 squared plus M3 squared plus etc. Mn squared, where M1 is modulation index of first sine wave, M2 is modulation index of second sine wave, M3 is modulation index of third sine wave, etc. Mn is modulation index of nth sine wave. Then the total modulation index of the total wave is given by Mt equals square root of M1 squared plus M2 squared plus M3 squared plus etc. Mn squared. So, this completes the session number 10. Thank you.